Can make as high as $1.37 on this website just by signing up for maybe in a website or something like that. You can make as high as $1, $0.75 with the exchange rate to 700 naira per dollar in Nigeria. And on this website, on this particular page, this worker is looking for, or this client is looking for 55 workers and has gotten 43 workers. So as you can see, they have a lot of them that will pay you a few cents, a few dollar to just work for them. So in this video, I'll be showing you this website and another website that will also pay you higher to work for them. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do what to subscribe. For returning subscriber, thank you, will love you. So as you all know, on this channel I love using my phone to make videos of how to make money online, because the mobile phone is what most of us use to look for how to make money online. It is what we go around with, and it is what is probably available or suitable for us, since most of us cannot go around with our system. So in this video today, I'll not be wasting much of our time. What I just want to do is to show you some websites that will pay you to do tax, and the last website is probably one of my favorite because it will pay you double, like it will pay you double of whatever the first website is paying you, or even higher than that. So without wasting much of our time, let's just head right into my Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser. I'll click on the search button and I will type in microworkers.com. I'll type in microworkers.com. Microworkers is spelled as MICROWORKERS.com. Now, this micro workers, they pay you to do little tasks such as sign up, then you send them a screenshot, download a chat, watch a video on YouTube or something like that. That is basically what they pay you to do on this micro workers. So that I won't be wasting much of our time, I'll just read something like few whatever I can grab on this website, just so you will know. They also pay you to do transcription. Maybe you can transcribe a video to a text. They will pay you on this website. You can earn as high as maybe $6, $4, $2, $1, $0.50, $0.10, $0.8, $0.4, depending on the particular work you choose to do. You can also do simple surveys, especially for some of us that don't have skills. Like, okay, you're looking for how to make money online and you don't have skill. If you don't have skill, at least you have time and you can work. Because I do say something on this online street. I said if you want to make money on this online street, you must have something that you want to offer, maybe a value or your time or something like that. So you must have something that you have to offer in order to get paid. You understand? So what we are just going to do is I'm trying to look at, so that I'll just do, okay, it says you can also do a video comparison, probably compare two videos like that. You can also do video quality rating. They will show you a video and you can pick the rating. Probably, okay, this video I don't like how it's looking. It needs to be adjusted or something like that. You just rate it simple. You just rate it and it's simple. You rate landing pages as well. You determine some things, image annotation, image transcription. There are a whole lot of jobs that you can do on this website. In fact, it is nameless. Tagging an image, image annotation. You can probably do a whole lot of things. So let's just head right into the video by clicking on the sign up button. So you come to these three dots here and you click on register. You come to these three dots here, you click on register. Mind you, on this website they have over 3 million workers on this website, and they've paid, probably, if I'm not mistaken, over 40 million to their workers in dollars. So let's just allow it to load. But while it's loading, please, I do not have a WhatsApp number or a Telegram that I use to chat with people for now. So if you see probably anybody trying to say that I should add them or send them money, that those people are scam. I will not request for a penny from anybody. Those people are scammers. You understand? So although I plan on opening a Telegram group based on requests here and there, but I haven't done that. And if I eventually do that, I'll do what? I will let you guys know. You understand? So this is what a new account face looks like. You fill it in. The first thing you fill in the first thing you fill in is your first name. The second one is your middle name, and the third one is your last name. Now the middle name is quite optional. So if you like, you fill it in. If you like, you don't. The gender, you fill in the gender. Gender too is optional, but it's just okay for you to fill it in. Then your company. Company is optional. Then you have birth date, your date of birth. You fill it in form of month, day and year. Then your email, then password. Please note that your password, because I don't want someone coming around here and saying and they are rejecting my password. This is how you fill in your password. You choose a password that has uppercase. What I mean by uppercase, if your name is, maybe, let me just use a simple name. Let's use Bola. You understand? Bola or Mary. No, let's use Mary, based on I have other people from other countries on this way, on this platform. So let's use Mary. If your name is Mary and you intend to use Mary as your password, you understand? You capitalize the first M in Mary. Do you get me? You capitalize it. Then you can have the small letters as ARY. Capital M, then small letter ARY. Then you have to have numbers associated with it. You understand? You have to have numbers associated with it. You get, maybe from number 1 to 9. You can choose Mary 092 or Mary 091. Then you have to include characters. You get it? Maybe Mary underscore 092. You use that one as your password. They will not accept probably ordinary password, maybe your regular password. They will not. It has to be capitalized and has small capitals as well, and then has numbers and characters. What I mean by capitalized is probably uppercase, then no lower case, then you have your number and your characters. So the next thing is a valid mailing address, probably the address of your street, then your zip code. You can just search in Google zip code of your state or environment, then city, then state or region, then your country of residence. You understand? Let me just click on this country of residence. As you can see, they accept everybody from everywhere in the world. You get, whether you are in Chad or China, or I don't know, Croatia, I don't know, Ethiopia, anywhere, Finland, anywhere, Nigeria, Togo, anywhere in the world. You understand? Libya, Liberia, Madagascar, anywhere, Mexico, anywhere. You just choose one. So once you choose one, what you have here is you opt in for the newsletter, the API, the newsletter. You just tick all the boxes here and you hit submit. You understand? You hit submit. So once you hit on the submit, they'll send you a verification code or a verification message on your Gmail. You get, before your account starts functioning, you have to activate that link on your Gmail. So the next thing you have to do is to go to, the reason why I'm not doing it currently like this is because I don't want to disclose some of my information right here, and then I already have an account with them. So having more than one account, I won't want to risk it. You understand? So you just go to your Gmail, you click on the link that is sent to you, and you activate your account. That's just basically all you need to do. Yeah, so guys, after activating your account, this is what the platform looks like. Like, this is what micro workers looks like after activating the account. Now this particular method is for those people that don't have the skill, or probably they have enough time on their hand, maybe they are not doing anything much currently. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of jobs around here that you can do. Once you're doing all those jobs and they're going, they keep refreshing, bringing in new jobs, so you never run out of jobs on this website. So this is currently in desktop form, so I have to change it so that you guys will see to this is the mobile format. This is the mobile form. So as you can see on this mobile form, this is how it will look like, just in a way for you to see. This is it, Oluwakemi, like that's just the name, and I've probably end on this current account now. I have left 0.93 dollars. That's what I have left. You understand? Now you can withdraw your earnings using Payoneer. You can withdraw your earnings using Payoneer. Before somebody will say I didn't talk about how to withdraw your earnings. So this one, the first one here is Gmail and website sign up, and it pays you on $1.37. So you have a lot of them like that that will pay you. Just click on anything that you can do. You understand? And if you want to choose a niche, probably a niche you want to focus on, you can pick any of these niches around here. And if you are the type that probably want to make money watching YouTube videos, you can click on this video or music sharing platform. You understand? So there are a lot of jobs that you can do on this website. So guys, I'll just be heading straight into the next website, because the next website is a bit critical or something like that. But in order for me not to make this video too long, I will have to stop here using this particular micro workers here. So the next video you'll be seeing, I'll be creating another video on the next website. The next website probably pays you, in fact it pays you times 4, times 5, times 10 of what this website is going to pay you, but you have to put in enough work. So guys, you can eat the video that you'll be seeing on your screen, can click on it, or you click on the first, you wait for me to upload the next video, which I'll be doing tomorrow. Thank you. And if you're seeing it for the first time, you might probably click on the video that is following this video, or the video in the description box. Thank you guys.